or finding the equation of a line parallel or perpendicular to another line. As we have seen, when finding the equation of a line, given 2 points, there are 3 steps required to find the answer. These 3 steps are the following. Step 1, find the slope of the line. Step 2, use the slope to find the y-intercept. Step 3, use steps 1 and 2 to write the answer. So again, you have only 3 steps in finding the perpendicular line or the parallel line. So in these examples, we will continue to use the same 3 steps to find the answer. But we will not be given 2 points. You will be asked to find equations of line that are either parallel or perpendicular to a given line passing through a specific point. So the first thing we need to do is remind ourselves about how we know if lines are parallel or perpendicular from an algebraic point of view. So what do you mean by parallel lines? So parallel lines, 2 lines are parallel if they have the same slope. So again, parallel lines, 2 lines are parallel if they have the same slope. Suppose we have your example number 1, find the slope of the line parallel to the line 4x minus 5y equals 12. So for our solution, we have here our given equation of the line is 4x minus 5y equals 12. To find the slope of this line, we need to get the line into slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. So, which means we need to solve for y. So in the given equation, we have here 4x minus 5y equals 12. Okay, you copy first the given equation here. So muna ni 4x minus 5y equals 12. Then after that, solving for y, meaning kanidari ang y, negative 5y. No? So negative 5y remain, then transpose mo ang negative 4x. Okay, I will show to you using the pin tab on how to solve that one. Again, 4x minus 5y equals 12. So, okay, 4x minus 5y equals 12. Let's check if the given equation is correct. Si marong tas given. Okay, find the slope of the line parallel to the line 4x minus 5y equals 12. 4x minus 5y equals 12. Check. So here we are going to find the slope, no? So we have to find the slope. So to find the slope, we have here the equation 4x minus 5y equals 12. We are going to solve for y, so that we can have our equation is y equals mx plus b. Remember, if this kind of equation that we are going to arrive, the x value, the number before the x, this is the slope. And this b here is the y-intercept. Okay, let's now have to show the solution. Since we have 4x minus 5y equals 12, so all we need to do is we are going to remain negative 5y equals transpose 4x. We are going to transfer 4x to the other side. When the number of 4x is positive 4, this will become negative 4x. Inig-transfer niya or transpose from this side going to the other side. Then since 12 here is positive, remain lang siya positive 12. Mag-add lang ka o plus sign. Then after that, you are going to solve the value for y. Since there is negative 5 here before ang y, you have to put or you divide negative 5 each of the term. Okay, negative 5 here and also 12 negative 5. Therefore, negative 5 divided by negative 5, it will become positive 1. No, negative divided by negative, positive. 5 divided by 5 is positive 1. Therefore, the remaining answer here is y, which is equal to negative divided by negative, that is positive. Automatically, it will be crossed out or mawala na siya. So the remaining here is 4 over 5x. Positive and negative, they are unlike sign. You just have positive divide negative, that is negative. Then you have to copy 12 over 5. Okay, di man ma-divide ang 12 sa 5. So therefore, you can now get the slope. M equals 4/5. The other one, our B, is equal to negative 12 over 5. Okay, so meaning, all of the given equation, kung ang slope sa uban nga equation is 4/5, example, na po another equation, dire. So the other equation is 4x, na siya makanigo. Okay, 4x minus 5y equals 10. So when you solve, 4/5 ragyapon ang mo arrive na slope, m equals 4 over 5, meaning they are parallel. Basta ang m, again, ang m sa first equation, m1 is equal to m2, that is parallel. Basta ang duha ka slope sa equation equal. Equation is 4x minus 5y equals 12. So 4x minus 5y equals 12. So we are going to find the slope. So to find the slope, remember that our equation is 4x minus 5y equals 12 is of the form, this is ax plus by equals c. So the shortcut method, we are going to find m, the slope m. All you have to do is to copy a here before x. You just copy a, then over the b. Over the b, then you put negative. Okay, that is already the slope of the given line. To find the b or the y-intercept, you have to copy the c, 12, over, c ni diri, c over the b. This one, the second term. Oh, this is our, this is our process on how to find the m and the b. So for our solution here, you just put m or the slope, you just copy negative, di ba na siya negative? Sige, copy sa nato ang negative a over b. Okay, negative a, what is our a? This is 4. You copy 4 over, our b is negative 5, this one. So again, this is our a, this is our b, this is our c. So our a is 4, but since our formula is negative, so it becomes negative 4. Over b is negative 5. Therefore, our m slope is equal to negative divided negative, positive. So that is 4. For our b, okay, you just copy 12. C over b, this one. So our c is equal to 12 over negative 5. Okay, 12 over negative 5, that is the same as negative. Ipasaka lang ang negative sign, then copy 12 over 5. I mean the second definition of our perpendicular. So what is perpendicular lines? So we are through with here. So correct ang atong answer no for the slope. Okay, manali ang slope 4 over 5. The slope of the line 4x minus 5y equals 12 is m equals 4 over 5. Therefore, ano to siya? M equals 4 over 5. For perpendicular lines, unsa po'y timan-an if the given equation is perpendicular. Take note of the given definition. So two lines are perpendicular if m sub 1 or the first slope multiplied to the second slope equals negative 1. Another way of saying this is the slopes of the two lines must be negative reciprocals of each other. So meaning sa perpendicular lines, we are going to find the slope of each line. Kung i-times nimo ang duha ka slope, kung equal gani og negative 1, that is perpendicular. No, i-multiply ang duha ka slope, mahimo negative 1. So meaning, kung i-multiply nimo ang reciprocal lang, kung 1/2 ang slope sa isa, dapat ang isa, kung 1 over 2, dapat ang isa 2 over 1. Dayon, depende sa duha kung asa ang negative. Kaya dapat negative 1 man, inig times, no? 1/2 times 2, that is 1. So dapat na isa ka slope ato nga negative para mo equal siya og negative 1. So let's now have an example number 2. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. So first, we are going to find the slope of this line. We need to get the line into slope-intercept form. So kaninga form, take note, y equals mx plus b. This is called slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Which means we need to solve for y. So katong first na to nga process, we are going to follow. So let's now have to solve this negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. So ato ang i-copy, negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. Negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. Color ba niyang napili dahil nga ballpen. So again, negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. So negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. We are going to find the pop up. Okay, find the slope of negative 6x minus 9y equals 4. So our solution, we are going to follow the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So this is our first step. Okay. Then, all you have to do, remain ang negative 9y. Negative 9y equals, transpose negative 6x to the right side, it becomes positive 6x. Since 4 here, automatically you are going to put plus 4. Then since negative 9, before sa y, divide both sides by negative 9. This one negative 9, the other one negative 9. Then it becomes 1 because negative divide negative is positive. 9 divided 9 is 1. So it becomes y equals 6 over negative 9. Okay, you just put the negative before the number. Kaya isa naman siya. So negative. Bring down or copy 6 over 9. But since this is reducible, no? Ma-reduce ang 6 over 9. Pwede siya ma-divide sa 3. So this will become 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So 2 na siya diha. Over negative 9 or 9 na lang kay nanang negative. 9 divided by 3 is 3. This will become plus over negative. It becomes negative because they are unlike sign. 4 over 9. Kaya di naman ma-divide ang 4 sa 3. Okay, therefore, we can have m or the slope is negative 2 over 3. Don't forget to put x here. Okay, napa siya x. It becomes negative 2 over 3. Then our b is equal to 4 over 9. Positive na. Hindi na siya maigo doon, no? 4 over 9. So negative 2/3. This is our slope. So meaning, if the other line, ang reciprocal ana, pangitaon nato kung na equation para ma-perpendicular, dapat ang slope niya m1 times m2 is equal to negative 1. So therefore, dapat kung ang m1 is negative 2/3, i-times nato siya sa reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. Okay, dapat ang slope sa isa ka line 3 over 2. Since naanay negative ang first slope, so positive na ang 3 over 2 para mahimo siyang negative 1. Anong negative 1 man? Because negative 2 times 3, negative 6. Negative 6 over 3 times 2, positive 6. Negative 6 over 6, that is equal to negative 1. Example number 3. Find the equation of a line passing through the point negative 6, 5. parallel to the line 3x minus 5y equals 9. So we are going to find the equation of the line. So first step, or step number 1, find the slope of the line. So to find the slope of the given line, we need to get the line into slope-intercept form. So I will not show the process anymore on how to find the slope because the time is running. So y equals mx plus b. Our given equation is 3x minus 5y equals 9. So take note, ang shortcut method ani is m equals negative a over b. So negative a meaning negative 3 over negative 5, it becomes positive 3, 5 or 3/5. No? So mo na siya ang iyang slope. So the slope of the line 3x minus 5y equals 9 using the shortcut method is m equals 3/5. Therefore, the slope of the line parallel to this line would have to be m equals 3/5. So note the y-intercept for the line 3x minus 5y equals 9 is b equals negative 9 over 5. The y-intercept has nothing to do with the final answer to the questions and can be ignored in every problem. All you need is to move forward, which is the slope. So meaning ang slope lang ang ato ang pangitaon, dili na ang y-intercept. So kung naa tay slope, we will now proceed to the step number 2. So again, step 1, find the slope. Step 2, use the slope to find the y-intercept. So now that we know the slope of the line is 3/5, we can plug the slope into the equation and we get, so remember ang atong equation is y equals mx plus b. Mangita daw ta og another equation para mahimong parallel or perpendicular. Mahimo siyang parallel na sa problem. So ang gihatag na equation is 3x minus 5y equals 9. Kini. Unsa gyud ang other nga equation nga mopareha sa slope ani nga maka-form tag another line or equation of the line. So take note, the given ordered pair is negative 6 over 5. Kani nga point, mo nitong gamiton para i-substitute sa ato ang equation, negative 6 and 5. So for step number 2, okay, so we can form y equals 3/5 x plus b. So I will present to you the solution para di ta malibog kay kung dirita sa copy mag-base basig malibog, no? So I will present that our slope-intercept form ang given sa equation sa problem kay balik ko na to 3x minus 5y equals 9. Di ba? 3x, okay, 3x minus 5y equals 9. Di ba mo na ang given sa problem? To locate first, ang point nga given is negative 6, 5. The ordered pair is 9x. Okay, ordered pair daw is negative 6, 5. Negative 6, 5. So we are going to graph ato sa i-graph, ipakita nato ang kana nga equation, maghimo lang ta diri og value, no? O table of values nga duha lang ka buok. So this is our x, wala na tarong og draw, 0 pud ang y. Para sa intercept na lang ta mag-plot sa points. So meaning, what is the value of y when x is 0? Para makuha na to ang y value. So when x is 0, kani ma-0 daw. So kailan mabilin, no? So y is equal to 9 over negative 5. Kaya ma-0 naman eh. So mahimo siyang 9 over negative 5 or negative 9 over 5. What is 9 over 5? Divide na negative 9 over 5. The other one, y is 0. Kanina po ang y, ato na pong is 0. Kani. So therefore, kung ma-0 ni dire, ang mabilin 3x equals 9. So ang 9 i-divide sa 3 para ma-solve ang x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then mag-draw dayon ta og y. So maghimo ta diri og number line. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive going to the right. Then the origin is 0. To the left, we have negative numbers. So we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. Okay, moving upward, all numbers are positive. Positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, positive 5, and so on. Going downward, numbers are negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So we are going to locate first kaning 0 and negative 9/5. Asa dapita ang 0, negative 1/8 or negative 1.8. So imong lang tawon ng x 0. So di ka center point. Next thing to do is you have to move upward or downward. Basta y gani ang timanan, upward or downward. Then look lang sa sign. Kung negative gani ang y, move downward. Kung positive, move upward. Since negative, so move downward. So we have 1.8 diri ka before siya sa 2 kaninga point. So kaninga point diri ang 0, negative 1.8 or 0, negative 9.5 kay diri. Wala pa kabot sa 2. 3, 0 na po ang pangitaon. What is our point 3, 0? So basta gani x, you are going to decide move to the left or move to the right. So when you look at positive, you have to move to the right. So how many units? We have 3. 1, 2, 3. Then since 0 ang y, upward or downward? So di na siya ka-move kay 0 naman. So diri na iyang point. I-connect dayon nimo na ang ani diri nga point, i-connect nimo didto, assuming na nga straight na yung line. Kay di magay nato ma-accurate yun og kuan. Okay? Then you put arrow, meaning infinite. Okay. Kani nga line gani atong gidraw, kani siya nga line, mo ni gitawag nga 3x minus 5y equals 9. Kani siya nga equation. So mo ni atong gidraw nga equation. This is the point. Naa daw ordered pair nga negative 6 over 5. I mean negative 6, 5. Unsa daw nga line nga mo intersect, unsa nga line nga mo parallel. Mo parallel daw siya nga naay point agian ang isa ka line sa negative 6, 5. So meaning diri. Negative 6 meaning x, negative 6, move to the left. Okay, we have 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dayon 5 man ang y, again x, y. Y is either positive or negative, upward or downward. Since 5, upward. So, munang diri ang point, positive 5. Padulong sa taas, 5, upward. Diri dapita day. Okay. So, this is our point, negative 6, 5. Ang question karon unsaon pagpangita sa usa ka equation nga dapat mo parallel ani nga point. We are going to follow the the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, y equals mx plus b. Remember nga kanang 3x minus 5y equals 9. Using the shortcut method to find the slope, this one, our m, iba automatically that is negative a over b, which is equal to negative a. Our a is diba 3. A, this is our b. So may mo siyang negative 3 over negative 5, which is equal to positive 3/5. Negative is positive 3/5. If we are going to look at our solving, the other 3/5 ang m. Okay, pangitaon na to ang next na equation. Since we have already our y equals mx plus b, kani nga slope-intercept form, ayaw yun ni kalimti. This is the slope-intercept form. Okay, y equals mx plus b. I-substitute lang ang value sa m. So this will become y equals, our m is 3/5. 3/5 x plus b. 3/5 lang para parallel siya, parehas siyang slope. Okay, 3/5 x plus b. Then after that, excuse, we are going to substitute sa y o sa x. Mangita tag point sa given unsay value sa y o sa x para ma-solve nato ang b. So for this one, given naman ta, di ba? Ang atong point is -6 o +5. Mo ni atong x, mo ni ato ang y. So i-substitute lang ang value nga point here sa y is 5. 5 equals, bring down slope 3/5, i-times siya sa x. What is our x? That is -6. Okay, 3/5 times -6 plus b. Para ma-solve nato ang b. Then after that, you simplify. This will become 5 equals 3 times -6, that is -18. -18 over 5. 5 dito ha, 5. Equals -18 over 5 plus b. Then solving for b, transpose. Kani diri nga number is transpose padulong sa pikas. Mahimo siya copy ang 5. 5, this one. Since negative, when you transfer to the other side, left side, mahimo na po siyang positive. 18 over 5 equals b. So this will become 5 plus 18 over 5. Para makuha ang LCD, or I mean the common denominator, 5. You multiply 5 times 5. This one. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, 5 times 5, 25. Nga namang 25, kay i-multiply nimo ang 5 times 5. Kung imo nang i-divide sa 5, 25 divide 5, di ba? 5 ang answer. So, mo nang i-LCD kag 5, diretso na multiply ang 5 diri. 5 times 5 to the numerator, mahimo siyang 25. Plus, copy lang diretso ang 18. Kay na naman siya 5 daan. So, 18 over 5, that is 18 over 5. That is equal to b. What is 25 plus 18? 25 plus 18, that is equal to 43 over 5. That's our b. So, nasolve na nato ang b, 43 over 5. Therefore, our equation is y equals m. M is 3/5, copy lang. Y equals 3/5 x plus b nato, this one, 43 over 5. So, kanina nga equation, mauni mo parallel sa equation. Okay, maghimo na po tayo og table of values using the given equation. So, pasensya na gyud ha, kay pentab, wala ko kakita sa tab nga magsulat. Sa screen ra ko galantaw sa ako ang pag-draw. Mo nang dili siya ma-accurate. Okay, this is x, this is y. So, for here, we can have i-zero na to ang x para ma-solve ang y. I-zero na to ang y para ma-solve ang x. So, when x equals 0, meaning kani, ma-zero daw ni siya diri, this will become 43 over 5. 43 over 5. Nanubra na. 43 over 5. Palihog kong compute, 43 over 5, what is the answer? Then what if ang y is 0? Kung kanina po daw ang 0. So therefore, ang kanang 43 over 5, mo transpose siya, mo transfer sa pikas, mahimo siyang 43 over 5 equals 3/5 x. Kung 0 ang y. Then multiplied by 5, no? Para makancel ni dire. Para x lang yung mabilin. So, mahimo siyang -43 equals 3x. Then, kanang 3, atuan na po siyang i-divide. So, therefore, our x is equal to -43 over 3. Okay, -43 over 3. Okay, what is 43 over 5? Problem. Okay, we have here 3/5 x plus 43 over 5. So 43 over 5, ira. Mo ba niya itong slope ganihang answer? 3/5, okay, nalimutan din sa given. Okay, 3/5, 43 over 5. So nahitabo din eh. Nagdasok naman gulo.
Gadasok na sir, gadasok.
Di na siya maklaro gid siya. So atong i-review ha. 43 over 5, bonito siya ang atong y when x 0, which is 8.6. So y is 8.6. This one, ang x daw nato is negative 14.3. So meaning ang negative 14.3 mag-extend pag yun ta og line diri no? Di ba? Ang 0 to 0 ang ato ang x primero, then ang 43 over 5, 8.6, ni move ta upward 8.6. This one, dirita. Assuming na lang nga 8.6. The other one, negative 14.3. So mag-add pag yung tag negative 7, negative 8, extend na to dito ang line, negative, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.3 na lang dito assuming. Then dari ang point, negative 14.3, 0. 0 man ang y, so di na ta mag-move. Then connect na lang dayon ang points, mo undergo siya ani nga point, iya siyang maigo ang 6.5. Okay, parallel or not? Parallel ba siya ani nga line? Find the equation of a line passing through the point 3, negative 4, perpendicular to the line 8x plus 6y equals 15. So for our solution, excuse, we have to find the slope. To find the slope of the line, so using the shortcut method, 8x plus 6y. Di ba ang shortcut? Negative lang nato ang a, mahimo siya negative 8 over 6, no? That is negative 4/3. Kay i-reduce to lowest term, mahimo siya negative 8 over 6 or negative 4/3. So m na to is negative 4/3. Automatically, ang step 1, ang slope ra may ipangitaon. Ang step number 2, ato ang i-substitute ang given nga point, kaning 3, negative 4, sa slope-intercept form. So for this time, ato na pong isolve using the pen tab is 8x plus 6y equals 15. Kanino? 8x plus 6y equals 15. Ato siyang kapihon. Kasi mamili tag color sa ballpen, black. Okay, we have 8x plus 6y equals 15. Check na nato, sakto ba? 8x plus 6y equals 15. Then we are going to copy the point 3, negative 4. Okay, our point is 3, negative 4. So remember, for perpendicular, ang atong pangitaon na pag nga equation daw is perpendicular. So ang sa parallel, dapat ang slope nato equal lang. Muna to atong i-substitute diretso. But for perpendicular, we have to take the reciprocal or the negative reciprocal of the given slope. So for our slope here, for our step number 1, that is negative a over b, negative a over b, which is equal to, again, this is our a, this is our b. So we have to copy negative, then our a is 8 over b is 6. So that is negative, reduced to lowest term, divisible by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 over 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So ang slope nato ani is negative 4/3. But remember na kung perpendicular, ang m times 1, the first slope, times m sub 2 mo equal siya sa negative 1. So therefore, kung negative 4/3, dapat ang m sub 2 nato, the second slope, reciprocal ani nga negative. Okay, ang reciprocal sa 4/3, that is 3 over 4. Balihon lang nimo ang numerator, mahimong denominator, denominator, it becomes the numerator. What is the negative of negative? Positive. So meaning, automatic na nga 3/4. Positive na ang answer. Kaning M nga 3/4, atuan ni siyang what? We are going to substitute to our slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. So for the slope-intercept form, we are going to have y equals mx plus b. So remember that our m is this one, 3/4. Our y, kaninga point, we are going to substitute. Okay, we'll write another color. So this one, this is our x. The other one, this is our y. So since our y here for the given point in the problem is -4, this will become -4 equals m is 3/4, substitute 3/4, x is 3, this one from the problem, plus b. Then this will become -4, just copy here. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9. 9/4 is 1. So numerator lang siya, i-times siya sa whole number nga 3. Since 4, i-multiply siya sa any whole number has a denominator of 1. Basta whole number na siya 1, meaning 4 times 1, 4, plus b. Then transpose 9/4, kay naman siya b diri, isolve na nato ang b, this will become -4. Positive 9/4, it becomes -9/4, and it transpose to the other side. So this will become equals b. Okay, to find the answer, we have our 4 is our LCD. LCD na to di ang 4. Multiply lang nimo ang 4 dito sa 4. 4 times 4, 16. Or 4 times -4, -16. And -9. Copy lang ang -9 equals the b. -16 minus 9, you have to combine because both of the numbers are negative. I-add lang, then copy the sign. So this will become 16 plus 9, 25. Copy lang ang negative, then i-over nimo sa 4. This is equal to b. So muna siya ang b. Therefore, ang atong equation, our final equation is y equals mx plus b. Copy lang ang y equals, ang m na to 3/4. 3/4 x. Since -25/4, so minus 25/4. This is our equation. To make the equation, the other equation, para perpendicular.